Damn. Alright, so your boy officially made it out to Simply Clean. Look at this crazy BMW behind me. It's type nippy out, I'm not gonna lie. About to set up the Ronin now and get everything situated and then get these cinematics going for you guys. This entire car is almost like it's wrapped in leather. It's crazy. I wish you guys could see the detail, but it's kind of hard to pick it up. But like you'll see it a little bit. This whole car is literally wrapped in leather. It's crazy. It's a TLX A-Spec. This thing is nice. Now this right here is what you call fire. I'm not sure if this is an FRS or a BRZ, but fire. See, when I see Civics like this is what makes me miss my JDM Tails that much. Look at this Civic. I low-key want to build a BMW like this. These are so nice to me when they're done up. I will set it up same exact way. Got it? Yo, this thing is wild. It must be like a one-way thing, but how do they see, bro? This window is crazy. It's like a mirror effect. This thing is cambered out crazy too. This S2K looks massive. This is nice. Nice. I'm about to get on a Ferris wheel for the first time. This thing is massive. If you guys look closely, there's a car meet going on right there. A couple of the locals. It's like, nah, I don't know what that is. It's actually not that bad. We just came from the top. I'm saying though, the way this lighting is hitting me right now, it's crazy. But your boy's still in here in Florida. It's Sunday. I think I might head out to Universal today, so I don't know. Figure out what we're gonna do. This might be just a regular lifestyle vlog, maybe not a car vlog. I don't know. Figure it out. I gotta figure it out. It's been a lot going on. I haven't really been vlogging that much, but I will say that Simply Clean was super fire. Got to see a lot of people, met a lot of you guys. Mr. EK and his son dropped me off like mad coconut air fresheners. I will show you guys, but kind of don't feel like taking off my backpack because it's right here. Maybe when I get in the car. You know what? I'll show you guys. Dang, look. All these coconut air fresheners. So if you're OG from the channel, you already know what this means. S2K CRV is about to be smelling oh so good. But yeah, Mr. EK, your Accord is looking real nice. I got you in the cinematics, so you guys be on the lookout for those videos that's about to come. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like edit it up. Maybe I'll edit it the same way I did my H2OY videos. I'm not sure yet, but there's definitely gonna be some dope cars in there, a lot of dope content, and the cinematics is gonna be oh so fire. But yeah, I'm about to go get some food because your boy's hungry, and then I might go to Universal, see what's up. Last night I was on a Ferris wheel, never been on a Ferris wheel before, so you gotta try something new, you know. I'm out here, I gotta enjoy myself, because when I go back I gotta go to work, and you guys know the normal grind, go back to that cold ass weather, because right now it's like 80 degrees, back home is 46 degrees. I'm enjoying every bit of this weather right now. When your breath hot. It's not even frosting right now. We out here on the city walk at Universal Studios. It's about to get real. We made it. You can't come to Universal and not see the globe with the Universal sign. I'm just waiting for it to get to a nice point so I could boomerang it on my phone. I got me a Chicago style hot dog with some fries. Yeah.